Are you tired of crunches but still want a stronger, flatter stomach? You're not alone. Crunches aren't the only way to build core strength. In fact, they're not even the best. Today, I'll show you 5 simple but powerful core exercises you can do anywhere. No crunches required. Let's dive in. First up, the plank. Classic but effective. Keep your back straight, tighten your core, and hold. Want to make it harder? Try side planks or plank with shoulder taps. Just 30-60 seconds and you'll feel your abs fire up. Next, mountain climbers. Start in a plank, then drive your knees toward your chest one at a time. Go slow for control or speed it up for a cardio boost. This one burns calories and builds core strength. Third, leg raises. Lie flat on your back, legs straight, and lift them slowly up and down without touching the ground. This really targets your lower abs, an area crunches often miss. Number 4, Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, lift your feet if you can, and twist side to side. Add a weight or water bottle to make it tougher. It's amazing for obliques and rotational strength. Last one, the dead bug. Lie on your back, arms and legs up. Lower one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor, then switch. It looks funny, but it trains stability and teaches your core to protect your spine. So there you have it, 5 crunch-free moves for a stronger, flatter stomach. Mix these into your routine, and you'll notice results way beyond what crunches can give you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me your favorite core exercise.